Um, last question, and then I want you to, well, I want you to do time together here in the last question. Where, and we already talked about where people can read your articles on your website, and then also on LinkedIn. What other social media platforms are you involved in, if at any at all?
I am on Facebook and I'm on Instagram, but and I am Coach Terry. It's with a underscore between I am Coach Terry. That's my Instagram handle. And on Facebook, it's Terry B. McDougall. But my most active social media platform is LinkedIn.
Okay. Okay. Are you involved with the Clubhouse phenomenon yet?
I'm a member of Clubhouse, and I haven't really gotten out there yet. So I've heard it's great, and I do need to jump in there, but I've got so many other things that I'm involved in.
Yeah,
I just haven't had the time to explore it.
you have to be very strategic about it, I think. I mean, I'm into it,
Yeah.
but it's just like, if my sister pings me and say, hey, this is a good room to get into, then I go to it,
Yeah.
or somebody like
Yeah.
that. But it's very much can become a time suck.